repair work. Morning, Dennis.
Oh, good morning. How are you?
Good. Good morning. It's day 5. We should finish up that field that has all of the lodged wheat in it and builds patience and character. Move into something that should be standing, and maybe we can make some headway today. Let's get some acres under us. Something. Oh, a raccoon. I thought there was something in the wheat there.
Half an hour. I'll call you when needed. That's good, thanks.
We got a new grain cart operator this morning. Hey, Jesse.
So now I see it, Brett. It's all good. You'll like him for it.
Well, that one's done. Can't say that I feel bad about it. So this field's too green. Moving on to the next. New field.
10-4.
prettier wheat today. That was interesting, going right along, and that tire just sort of deflated rather quickly. And the tire just sort of blew up after Jim did a really fine job of plugging the combine. I'm sure no fault of his, but it happened. Got them all rolling again after all that excitement. Tire just go flat, or did it run over something?
I don't know what you see, Jim, when you look at it. Bolts come out of the wheel, lost the wheel. Okay.
Oh, shoot. That sure made a loud noise.
I don't know that the tire's wrecked, but it needs a new hub because it's all wallered out where the bolts go.
Nobody's told me what my screen name is.
It says NE for Nebraska, obviously, waiting.
That would be me. Uh-oh. What's going on there? Well, there goes the tire. Weather forecast for tomorrow says 40-mile-an-hour winds. As you can see, the wind has picked up here this afternoon. So I'm wondering if this is what we'll deal with for the rest of the day. Every time I see one of those red trucks over there, I instantly think it's the peat, and then I have to tell myself that it's not the peat. It was decided that with this, looks like maybe a little bit of a storm, but the wind storm combination was decided to wait it out at the shop. So we are going to quit for the rest of the, I'm not sure, going to quit for right now anyway. we changed our mind. Now we're gonna go for a little while longer before supper.
Scooter, bring another truck.
Supper's over, time to get back to work. Boy, if I don't leave here with an extra 15 pounds, it'll be a wonder. Thanks for supper, Carol. It was great, as usual. What's up, buddy?
Uncle, I want to you back to the house.
You betcha.
Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.